किसी और के साथ ये feeling आती है नहीं आती है, which was bizarre for me. You know, she was talking to her parents in the mirror, you know, things like that. Someone who's gone through, someone who has baggage. I didn't understand that. So I think, yeah, that definitely has to be my favorite so-called failure.
Nice, nice. So in a sense, Kriti, then, you know, and this is an important lesson for everyone, right? That even a failure is not a failure in that sense.
Oh, it teaches
There
you
is
way
growth.
more.
Yeah.
It teaches you way more than sometimes your successes do. You know, and whether it is the process of it, whether it is something that you feel like, okay, this doesn't work for me, or you know, I didn't enjoy this process.
You
Even
get to
that-
know yourself.
Yeah, even that you get to know when you realize that, okay, this wasn't a good decision. You know, so many things, and you're clearer in your mind then.
Yeah.
Post that.
Well, let's talk about success.
Better.
Let's talk about year 10, starting off with Teri Baaton Mein Aisa Uljha Jiya, and of course, Crew.
Yes.
I mean, you know, these are big. You know, I have to tell you that the climax of Teri Baaton was like my favorite part of the film. Okay? It was just, you were so funny and so frightening. And that thing you were doing with your head was just was just perfect. And I wonder, Kriti, what was it like to actually do it? Because you were going rogue, not just as a character, not just as a malfunctioning robot, but also, in a sense, as a Hindi film heroine. Because how often do Bollywood heroines get to do stuff like that?
Yeah, not very often.
Not often. What did that feel like?
I mean, firstly, I don't think, you know, sometimes people, I don't know why they don't write so much comedy for women. Sometimes people feel like, oh, you know, for doing comedy, you need to kind of laugh at yourself. You need to kind of be comfortable, not looking good, and making faces and stuff like that. And I think the idea has been for a while that, oh, women should look elegant and, you know, very like poised and everything. And I think I mean, a lot of people have broken it in the past, and I am glad that I got an opportunity like that because I love comedy. Like, I think comedy is something which I just like putting in every normal scene also because it's there in life, you know, and that particular part is actually my favorite. Her turns are not jerky, there's nothing, she's like this. She doesn't have highs and lows and everything. So as an actor, I had Shahid Kapoor in front of me, who's a fabulous actor, and you feel like flowing. You know, you feel like if the other person does an improv, you feel like doing something and returning, you know, some dialogue or doing something, and I couldn't. And I felt so tired, and you know, he got annoyed because I used to say it constantly. I was like, oh my god, you know, I wish I could do more, you're getting to do so much. And he was like, I can't believe you're playing the robot in this film and you're saying you're not getting to do much. But I felt almost weirdly suffocated in her body because I couldn't, like, when I'm talking to you, I'm moving my hand so much, I couldn't move it.
Yeah.
You know, those were things that I applied. Like when Sifra spoke to someone, she would gaze and she would not break her gaze, as opposed to human beings who are like looking around and sort of thinking and processing. She's processing really fast, and I was not blinking while I was talking. So few things that I added only made me feel like really tied down and suffocated almost. And when the climax came, I was like, I felt like a khulla sand who could just do whatever she wanted. Nobody will question why am I doing what I'm doing. I am malfunctioning. That's it. I can do what the hell I want. And on the script actually they had written it in a, you know, she talks fast and she talks slow. But that was it. The twitches and the body and
That was all you?
yeah, I mean, we discussed, obviously, I discussed with the directors, but my idea was that if she's malfunctioning, let's go all out, you know, let's just like go all out and everything that can go wrong. And we added these body twitches randomly. And you know, her getting stuck also was a thing that we sort of added, and it became much fuller. And it just felt liberating. And I remember when I was shooting the climax sequence, I was like, now I'm feeling like I'm shooting a film. Like now I'm really feeling like fully alive, you know, in a way, weirdly alive. That portion was my favorite because I've been a die-hard Madhuri fan, and I was like, oh god, this is my moment. I was like, and जैसलमेर में थे हम लोग, ठंड थी वहाँ पर, बट बिकॉज उस गाने में स्टॉर्म फैन चल रहा है, सो आई वाज लाइक her hair are flying, my hair has to fly, and everybody, I'm assuming all the other actors on set, all the background people who were there, all the extras, they must be really abusing me because I have put full on storm fan for hours when I was shooting that. In this much of lehenga choli.
Correct?
Yeah, and I had a blast.
You look like you were having a
I
great
did have a blast. That was my moment. I was like, मैं बचपन में देखती थी ये,
Yeah.
to get to do that on screen.
Yeah, yeah.